Hello, I'm Govardhan. I work for Bajaj Capital as a zonal manager, take care of complete Andhra Pradesh. Well, about Bajaj Capital, we are a 44-year-old company and we have, in fact, about a lot of investment centers. In Andhra Pradesh, we have 6 investment centers. And we have a couple of good customers with us who have been investing with us, and we are more into wealth advisory. We have products like life insurance, mutual funds, general insurance, fixed deposits, and all these products. So this is where we take care, and we are more into a wealth advisory system, in fact. So that is about the Bajaj Capital. So that's it. The offices, we have four offices in Hyderabad, one in Kukatpalli, the other one is in Secunderabad. Himayat Nagar is our main zonal office, and even we have office at Amirpet. So these are the four locations we are having an office, and we don't have any of our own product here with Bajaj Capital. So for we do completely a different system here, which what we call it as a financial planning. So it is a complete financial planning which talks about the need analysis, and we request we are more into educating customers how do we go about investing, and what to how do we do a need analysis for a customer, and how do we do a better finding out their goals, and doing a better advisory system to the customer. So this is all we do. We request all the we are more into educating the customer that what is best with us to invest. So all that is required for you is, if you wanted to invest with Bajaj Capital, please do drop into any of our investment centers, and later we will do the needful about how do we go about planning your investment in a better steps. So thank you very much.